Hello Wagwan. Okay, so this question is asking us about the graphs of exponential functions, and we're asked to try and find the values of p and q. So firstly, we try and find the coordinates and the equation. So the first coordinate is 1, 5, and therefore the x value of that coordinate equals 1. The second value of that coordinate, which is the y value, equals 5. The second coordinate, 4, 320, x equals 4, and then y equals 320. Okay, so we then read the question again, and we see that y equals pq to the power of x. We therefore draw a line here, substitute the values of these two coordinates into this equation here. So y on the first equation is 5. Sorry, I'll write the equation right here. Power of x. So it's 5 equals p q x, which is 1, and then the second equation is 320 equals p q 4. We then divide this equation here by this equation here. So draw a line here. So 320 divided by 5 equals p q 4. Be careful here. Don't put 1, it's 4, so because the equation here, the value here equals 4, divided by pq1, and therefore that equals 320 divided by 4 equals, that is 64, I believe, 64. Sometimes it can be helpful to use a calculator. I'm doing it for pure easiness and efficientness. Anyway, so equals p q. Oh, sorry. Let's start again here. So 64 equals, well, p divided by p is nothing. So you cancel the p's out, and then q to the power of 4 divided by q to the power of 1, and the laws of indices states that 4 divided by 1 in this format equals 3. So it's just 4 take away 1 equals 3. Okay, we then try and find a value of q. So it's a value cubed equals 64, and you should know that 4 cubed equals 64. 4 times 4, 16, times 4 equals 64. So the value of q equals 4. We then try and find the value of p by substituting the values of q into any of these equations here. So you try and choose the simplest equation, which is the top one. So 5 equals p 4 to the power of 1, and 4 to the power of 1 is just 4. It's 4 times 1. So we then do 5 divided by 4, and there we have it. That's our answer. P equals a fraction, which is 5 over 4. I mean, you can turn this into a fraction, a larger fraction, but it's just easier to leave it like this for the examiner. I mean, you can do it, but for simplicity, leave it like this, okay?